Yo guys, sorry for the long wait on this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on an iPhone, which is insane, guys. Before I tell you guys how to turn on an iPhone, or unlock an iPhone, same difference, I just want to make sure you guys that are liked and subscribed, I want to make sure that you guys are liked and subscribed. So, like this video to support the channel, and subscribe so you can be notified whenever new videos are released. And I just want to repeat that one more time, like and subscribe, please do it. Okay, anyway, finally, I'm going to show you how to turn on an iPhone. So literally all you have to do, give me a second, I gotta move the camera. Okay, just press this home button. You see the home button? You just press it. Okay, it's gonna ask me for my passcode. Give me 1 second. And that's it, guys. That is how you unlock an iPhone.